Welcome to another Slate Bytes video. In this video, we will show you some keyboard shortcuts you can use in Slate. For pages with a new object button, like Deliver and Forms, you can do Ctrl Alt N, and that will launch the new object modal pop-up. For pages with an edit button, like Events, Mailings, and Forms, you can do Ctrl E, and that will launch the Edit Modal pop-up. Additionally, for modal pop-ups with the Save option, like when editing events, forms, and mailings, you can also do Ctrl S, and that will save the current modal pop-up. So that shows you for an event, and will also show you for a mailing. So again, Ctrl E to edit, and then Ctrl S to save. Other shortcuts include Ctrl I to launch Slate AI, and you can also do Ctrl I again to hide it when you're done. There is also Ctrl K to access a quick launch pop-up from any page. You can check out our Slate Byte on the quick launch pop-up for more information on this feature. We hope you enjoy these keyboard shortcuts. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.